Hi, I am here with another exciting videos. In this video, I have used STM debugger interfacing with another STM32 F411RD board. Sometimes there is a problem with inbuilt debugger. In that case, we have to use external debugger. So we have to buy STM32 debugger to debug STM board, which can be like this one. So no worries, you can actually do debugging with another STM debugger. It's pretty easy and I will show you how. Previously, I have made a video to debug STM32 board with STLink-V2. If you want to see, you can go through below link in this description. Now, let's begin. This is a pin description of STM32 F411RE board. You can go through this one. And this is the interfacing between two STM32 board, where one has STLink debugger and one do not have STLink debugger. And this is a simple pin connection. First of all, you have to remove jump port of this STLink and then start connecting the pin. So pin 1 of STLink is connected to 3.3 volt CN6 pin 4, and pin 2 SW CLK is connected to CN7 pin 14. Pin 3 GND is connected to GND CN6 pin 2, and pin 4 SWDIO is connected to CN7 pin 13, and NRST pin 5 is connected to CN6 pin 3. And to give the power to STM which do not have STLink debugger, so we can connect this 5 volt to 5 volt and GND to GND. Now let's see and run the program. First of all, you can see this LED link is blinking very slow. Now we are going to blink this LED fast. So we are going to decrease this time to 300 and this to 300. Now let's run the program. Okay, now let's see what happens. Program is running. You can see LED is off and it will start blinking and it will be faster. Okay, so now you can see it is blinking fast. So now you can know that this process works. If you have any question, please feel free to comment. I will reply as soon as I can. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. See you soon with another videos.